Hello and welcome to a very late, very gentle start to 2023's festival season. Now, I'm cheating a bit when I call it festival season, really. It's not a festival. Tonight we're just seeing Blossoms at Sounds of the City in Leeds. Nice outdoor gig. We're going to have a good time. I'm going down to the train station now to meet Finn, who you might remember if you watched last year's Nebworth vlog. Going to pick him up, going to go for a few pints, and we're off to go see Blossoms, man. What a band. Blossoms are great, and Sounds of the City, great little show that they put on. I saw Foles there last year. They're absolutely brilliant. It's just a nice little gentle one to start us off. We've picked up Finlay from the train station. He's here. The fan favourite after the Nebworth video last year.
We're back again.
We're back again. We're having a party, whitey. And then we're off to see Blossoms.
Blossoms.
Alright, we're at the Blossoms gig. It's time. It's time. We're a bit leery. We've had a few drinky winkies.
We're super fine.
Finn's here. Finn, say something to the viewers that love you.
I love you viewers. You're fucking class.
I'll tell you what, Miles Kane's fucking shite. I don't even like Cortinas, but this is a tune.
Blossoms from Stockport. Are you ready to have a good time?
To my eyes and only mine, and I go back and show my love. Okay, so the